Hi, it's Mark Homan from Paul's Photo, the Creative Photo Academy in the lab at Paul's Photo. It's day 172 of our Be Creative series. And I was sitting at dinner tonight, looking at the way the light was playing on the water in the sunflowers that I got from my wife the other day. And I know we've done sunflowers before, but they're such a great subject. And I was looking at this light play down here, and then I set up the Savage 12 by 12 LED panel, and I saw the light coming through the flowers. And the photo transformed for me. So what does that transformation mean? So I was looking with my photo eye for a subject. I found a subject, the light here, but then I was struck by something better. So as a photographer, my eye is always looking for a picture. But don't be so narrow focused that you miss the bigger picture around you. So I shot the one down here. I didn't like it as much, but I really love what's going on here. Dead backlight on the sunflowers. It's gorgeous. Come on around this side and see. Look what we're seeing through the viewfinder, right? Look at that. How beautiful that is, with the little bit of the leading line of the stalks coming in. That's the power of what we're doing today, using the backlight. Now, backlight is a challenging light. Why? We have to watch out we're not getting lens flare in the lens. We need a long telephoto lens to isolate and narrow the background. We need to check the focus to make sure we're focused properly on the flowers, and we need to expose properly. So in this case, I'm spot metering right here on the petals. Using the tools we have with the camera to get the picture that we want. Having a mental picture to go capture what we want. And then you know what? Using the camera and getting it. So I think I got it tonight. I can't wait to share it with you. Using the backlight, having an idea, but then changing the focus. I can't wait to see what you do. Hashtag Paul's Photo, hashtag Creative Photo Academy, hashtag We're All Together. Keep posting, guys. We like to see the pictures. Everybody likes to see what everyone's doing. That's why we use the hashtags at the Creative Photo Academy. Our wonderful community supports each other. We love to see everybody's pictures. Post, please. Have some fun with it. And I'll see you tomorrow for our next episode in Be Creative. And I think I got something sweet in mind for you tomorrow.